Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just got this 2 days ago. It showed up pretty late because I purchased it the same day that it came out. But we are talking, is it CÉCRED? I should have looked that up before I started. Do you pronounce it CÉCRED? Because that accent? Yeah, I should have looked that up before I started recording. By Beyonce, and I wanted to see, hey, let's see how it looks. Now, I don't wear my hair like this daily just because I feel like my hair right now is a little bit too short for me to wearing it down for my taste because it kind of looks like a hat on my head. But I want you to see what my curls are and what my first impression is based on, my hair type and all that stuff. So it arrived in this gray box. I got the double cleanse kit with moisturizing deep conditioner for $42. And it says, get that cleanse anytime, anywhere. Did I just put on like a voice? I did, didn't I? This travel size trio is your double cleanse and conditioning routine that clarifies, hydrates, and deeply nourishes on the go. It includes a travel size clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, a travel size hydrating shampoo, and a travel size moisturizing deep conditioner. And it's a lot of ingredients in here. And it says that the key benefits of the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, it combines a balance of exfoliants, fermented purple willow bark, and tea tree oil to remove buildup and residue from your hair and scalp for a game-changing deep clean. The travel size hydrating shampoo is this luxurious hyaluronic acid infused shampoo, goes deep on hydration, leaving your hair visibly nourished, manageable, and strong. And then, of course, the travel size moisturizing deep conditioner is ultra rich formula, is infused with our African oil blend and shea butter to moisturize, soften, and improve manageability. Okay. My first impressions. I'm not calling this a review because I've only used it a few times, within the couple of days I've had it. So the bottles, it's a pretty nice, like, grayish. It's a light grayish, or you can even call it a cream. But yeah, the travel size is just fine. And the smell of the clarifying shampoo is like a mint. It's a mint. And I do use clarifying shampoos. I particularly love my Oribe one because it doesn't strip my hair of the oils in my hair, or it doesn't feel stripped. It feels clean, but it doesn't, it's not where, sometimes clarifying shampoos can give you a stripped feel or a mattifying feel where, okay, I need to put some conditioner in here for me to even put a comb through it. Yeah. This clarifying shampoo dries my hair out. It's not bad. However, it strips my hair more than I want it to. Yeah. So, and it's minty. Let's go to the next one, the hydrating shampoo. I use this as well. And the interesting thing, guys, is you smell it and you think you know the smell, and then you smell it again and you're like, oh, it's like a soft smell. It's not bad. It's a nice smell. It's not perfuming, but it's like one of those, what you would think a mysterious woman would smell like, or something like that, because you can't place the smell, but it smells nice. It's very, I said mysterious woman. I don't know, but that's the first thing I thought of when I was in the shower. So I would tell you guys that it's, you can't place the scent from somewhere else. It's just like, oh, the second time you smell it, oh, okay, it's soft. It's a soft scent. And The shampoo, is it hydrating? It's fine. I wouldn't say that my hair felt hydrated per se. I think it's fine. It cleansed my hair just fine. If that's helpful. Yeah. And then the moisturizing deep conditioner. This smells just like the shampoo. I love a good conditioner. You know what I like to do with my hair is I like to leave a little conditioner in and just go out for the day. And that's what I did with this conditioner as well. Although it does say do not leave on longer than 30 minutes. I only leave a little in my hair, you know, like I do my Oribe. The deep conditioner, after you use it, it feels like it leaves a film on your hair. Well, on my hair, I was like, man, what is that film? I like more of a light, where at the end I rinse it all out or what have you, and I don't feel a film on my hair. It's more of a, yeah, it doesn't feel heavy. It's just that film that it leaves. It's just a film. I can feel it on my hair, like I put some oil and my hair doesn't do well with oils per se. So maybe that's the problem. But yeah, it was, this is a pass for me, but it may work for your hair. Just because it doesn't work the best for my hair doesn't mean it won't work good for your hair. My hair wasn't soft after leaving this on for 30 minutes. And that's the part that I was like, oh, you know how you want your, you know, you put in, especially a deep conditioner, and you're like, oh, okay, when I rinse this out, it's going to feel amazing. It didn't. It felt fine, you know. So it's not my cup of tea. I'm glad I tried it. It has a nice, lovely scent, very, very soft. And yeah, so I hope that helps you guys figure out if it's something you want to try, because it may work for your hair. Now, I don't have issues detangling my hair again. I say that all the time. So if you're asking about slip and does this help detangle hair, I never have issues detangling my hair. But after I use this clarifying shampoo, my hair was, I lost more hair with the comb. Yeah, this dried my hair out. But that's just me personally. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, you know, this isn't it. It just didn't work for me. It's a pass for me. I'll stick with my Oribe, but yeah, and I know her mom was helping with this as well, because I see her on promos and things of that nature. I didn't look at any of the other reviews or anything of that nature, so I don't know what everybody else's experience is. But mine was, it's just, meh, okay, no, this is, I wouldn't use the clarifying mask shampoo again. That's not something I'm using again. But the shampoo and conditioner, the conditioner I really wouldn't use again either, just because I don't like the film it leaves on my hair. But so yeah, it's a pass for me. So, but yeah, in the comments, if you guys have tried it, let me know and what you think about it.